In this video, we're diving into Tidexcoin.com. Have you ever seen a post promising free Bitcoin just for signing up? Well, we recently came across one on Instagram about a website called Tidexcoin.com. The ad claimed that Elon Musk was giving away 31 Bitcoin for free, and all you had to do was register and use a promo code. Sounds amazing, right? But is it legit or just another crypto trap? Let's find out. Here's how it works. The post on Instagram directs you to tidexcoin.com and gives you a promo code. After registering and entering the code, the platform instantly credits your account with 0.31 Bitcoin worth thousands of dollars. So far, so good. But then, things take a suspicious turn. When I tried to withdraw the Bitcoin, the platform told me I needed to first deposit a small amount of BTC to verify the wallet. This is a classic bait and switch tactic. They give you fake Bitcoin in your account and then ask for real money to unlock it. If you fall for it and send your crypto, it's gone. And that 31 Bitcoin, you'll never actually receive it. Let's break down the red flags. First, the claim that Elon Musk is behind this giveaway is a lie. There's absolutely no evidence on the site or online to back that up. They're using his name purely for attention. Second, Tidexcoin.com is not unique. It's a part of a pattern of identical scam sites like genomibit.com, coinpox.com, and dicex.com. All of them use the same trick: fake Bitcoin balances and fake endorsements. Third, the site was just created on May 13th, 2025, a brand new domain making huge claims with no track record or trust signals. That's another red flag. And finally, there's no contact information, no email, no support, no social media, nothing. Once your money is gone, there's no one to help you get it back. Final verdict: Tidexcoin.com is a scam. The free Bitcoin doesn't exist. The endorsements are fake, and the whole platform is designed to take your crypto, not give you any. Stay away and never send money to a site like this without thoroughly researching it. Thanks for watching.